Wanted to give an update on this property. If you look back at the previous videos, it's called For Beginners, How Your Lawn Should Look in the Wintertime, something to that effect. Well, we came out 2 months ago. This person is on an 8-week rotation every 2 months. But we came out December 29th, and if you go back and look at the video, you'll see how it was a lot of green, a lot of weeds on the property, from clovers to broadleaf, cool season weeds, to now, 2 months later, you can see that the glyphosate is working. We have a ways to go because this yard was completely out of control. But if you go back and look and compare with this, you'll see how the glyphosate has it's starting to take over. Back by the fence, it was a lot of green, and it's mainly being knocked out now. And we got to get all that. We're out today, February 8th, 2024, treating it again 2 months later. Now look at the lawn. I mean, all you see, like I said, is wild garlic and onion on the property. That's my son right there. Got certified in December, and we are teaming up to take Underdog Spraying to the next level, hopefully. Let's go over to the mailbox. And over at the mailbox, it was covered in clover. Not necessarily covered, but it was clover around it.